all here to celebrate this very special occasion with us. What a great start to this great occasion. Ganpati Bappa!
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं।
Here is the moment for all of us. So everyone, may I request to all of you to kindly please do join me to welcome all the dignitaries to have a ribbon cutting ceremony on this. 4, 2, and here is the milestone. In India, any celebration is incomplete without dance. So are you all up for some dancing moves?